Okay, you guys, today I went to Walmart and look, oh my god, I found the brand new Samson 2026 new look, guys. Look at this. I love that blue Samson. That is so beautiful. Samson Hot Wheels Monster 2026. First name, Samson, truck type pickup, strength, brown and bravado, crash attack, strong arm slam. And there it says Patrick Enterprises Incorporated, the racing, right there. All I need is poo-poo platter with and roaring engine, which is, airplane mode, and that's it. There's the back, guys. Now let's get to the actual beautiful Samson truck. I'm so glad I brought this casting back. There it goes. Alright, guys. Ooh, okay. That is nice. Look at that beautiful Samson name. Look at the detail here. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. It has this fist in the front with the headlight printing, grill printing. Has more decal on the front. Yeah, it's chains right here, which is nice. Samson. The cool thing is Samson is back here. Look at that. That is so cool. Patrick Enterprises Incorporated with taillight printing. It has metal flake. Is that metal flake? Looks like it does, if I'm correct. Right rims and beadlocks. Black tires. Black roll cage. Chrome shiny chassis. Just look at that shine, everybody. Pretty cool. I love this one. And, of course, the muscles, of course, he has. And the tailgate. Yeah, it does have metal flake, I think. Alright, guys, so that's it. That's all I got today. Like, subscribe, comment, share the cast. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed. Oh, yeah, and Hot Wheels on the tires, I forgot to mention. Peace out, everybody.